case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a dispute over a personal servitude of right of use of a horse racetrack, the Louisiana Court of Appeal ruled in 2006 on the case of McCormick v. Harrison. Donald Harrison, who gained the right to use the racetrack on Dr. George M. McCormick's property in 1995, was taken to court by McCormick after attempting to use the track without contacting him first. The district court sided with Harrison, stating his servitude was still in effect, and ordered him to pay $100 per month in advance to McCormick. Unsatisfied with this outcome, McCormick appealed the decision, arguing that Harrison had failed to pay the required maintenance fees. However, the Court of Appeal affirmed the lower court's decision, maintaining that Harrison's unpaid fees did not automatically extinguish his servitude. As a result, McCormick was obligated to allow Harrison to use the track without interference and was held responsible for paying the legal expenses. Harrison, in turn, was ordered to pay $100 monthly in advance for track use.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.